Hello. Say goodbye to the bird head.
Mantap.
Mantap.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay everybody, so I just came into Raja Sambal here, Bali, Indonesia. Let me show you guys what I have here. So I have the fish here. I have two types of red sambal sauces, and the owner gave me another sauce here, another green sambal sauce. As you guys can see, very exciting. So here's the fish. There's the fried fish. This is the sambal sauce over here. And this is another sambal sauce. So this is a tomato sambal sauce. And over here we have the green sambal sauce as well. And I think this one's very spicy. So yeah, here I am, Raja Sambal restaurant. So, and this, I'm not really sure what this is. Maybe this is calamari with soup. Yeah, it's like fish. Up next I have the rice too as well here. There's the rice. Now, how should I eat this food? Let's put the rice. Let's smooth some sambal sauce over here. Yeah, let's put this on the plate. I got 3 sambal sauces. I have 2 fish. I have vegetables right over here. Here are the vegetables, and there's no one around here. This place is usually packed and busy, but because of the lockdown, it's not very busy right now. But I'm very excited for the food. Have my vegetable and have my bird next to me. Okay. All right, let's begin. Let's begin. Okay, let's do the. Oh, and the rice is very sticky too. Let's do some sambal sauce with the rice. Very spicy. Now let's do this fish. I want to drink this juice here. There's like a broth on this plate on the green leaf. Broth is nice. It's salty too. And here they have like the onions on top and also the red chili peppers too. Okay. I don't even know where to begin with. Let's do the green sambal sauce with my rice and try the crispy fish. Oh, it's actually been a long time since I had fish. Last time I had fish, I was in Malaysia. Sambal is nice. Spicy. Yeah, it's oily. Yeah, that one's very spicy. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I think this is like a vegetable. Yeah, the green sambal is definitely much more spicy compared to the red one. Oh, okay. Yeah, the spice is really nice too. Okay, let's do the vegetables. Let's do the vegetable juice. I think this is spinach. Yeah, I think this is spinach. Oh. All right, this is very exciting stuff, everybody. Everything's really fresh. I love the food here. In this place here, I think they have over 22 sambal sauces, maybe even 30. I don't even know, but yeah, they have a lot of sambal sauces here. Now let's do the bird, everybody. My first bird in Indonesia. This is the head. That's the head of the bird. These are the legs, and over here used to be the wings. Hello. Oh, and look at the baby neck. Let's try the baby neck with the sambal. The bird is nice too. It's crispy. It's crispy and very flavorful too. And you can even eat the neck very easily. Say goodbye to the bird head. This was my first bird head in my life. Yeah. The broth here is very nice. Okay, plate number 1 is done. Plate number 2 is finished also. Okay. I think this is the catfish, and this is one of my favorite fish to eat in Southeast Asia, and also in Malaysia. This used to be my favorite fish to eat. Still is. Oh. Sambal is spicy. Let's try the fish. Ooh, With this fish, what she does was she puts in the pan and then she fries it, and then on top of the fish she puts the sauce right on top of the fish. Yeah, the sauce is nice too. And it's also like slightly sweet too. It's slightly sweet. Everything's very, very delicious here. I'm very happy with my choice. And all the food that was made here, that I'm eating, was made all in front of me. Let's open up the bird again. Oh. Let's try the bird leg. Okay, I don't know what type of a bird this is, but maybe it's like a pigeon. Very tasty bird. Yeah, and this place is 135% halal too. Very delicious bird. Okay, now let's do green sambal sauce with my rice, and let's do a piece of bird. Or actually, maybe let's do vegetables. No, actually, let's mix two sambal sauces. The green one and then the red too. Ooh. Alright guys, showtime. Spinach has garlic here, I think broth, peppers also, and it's very, very flavorful. Okay, everybody, open up the bird. The bird slightly reminds me of chicken. Even though this is not chicken, it still tastes like chicken. food is here really, really awesome. Delicious. Fish is very tasty. Very soft, it's fresh, and it's tasty. Ooh, and there's even like fish eggs inside too. This is one tasty fish. Oh yeah. I got the eggs, guys. I found the eggs. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Excellent. Okay, now I'm about to do something that I have not done before. Now it's going to be spicy. Wish me luck, guys. Spicy. This fish with a sauce is excellent. Really nice food. The one thing I love about the catfish is that it doesn't have many bones. No bones whatsoever. And this is also fried too. Done. Finished. 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 And finished. And this is also finished. And no more rice. So I just walked out of Raja Sambal restaurant. The guy, they did not take any of my money. They did not take a single penny from my wallet. I insisted I wanted to pay, but they did not take the money. I really wanted to pay. And in total, I think my bill was around 53,000 IDR, which is maybe like $3, like $3 or $4. But I was, yeah, I was shocked because I wanted to pay. But they did not take any money from me. Man, that's crazy. But the place is really nice. They have nice food. The fish is really delicious. The catfish, the bird is nice and crispy. The sambal sauce is also very nice. Very flavorful, very tasty, and very spicy also. Alright guys, this is it for me. I'm cycling right now around Denpasar, Bali, and this is a view right in front of me. There's like people fishing, there's shops over here. So yeah. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye bye.